workshop in the business of the arts, an opportunity for people to talk about how we share our work. And in order to share our work outside, we have to finance it. We have a lot of logistical questions to answer, and we also have to market our art.
I learned things from everyone in the workshop, so even the fine arts students or the drama students. I learned things from them about whether or not to be presenting or visual design.
This workshop almost made me feel like more confident going into the workplace afterwards, saying, okay, I need to go find people to work alongside. Like I can't do this on my own or something. And then making connections in this workshop was like, oh, I'm gonna call up Rebecca immediately when I need business help,
I applied for the Racement internship, and if I didn't get the experiences from this workshop, I don't think I would have tried to do any other kind of entrepreneurial experience, because knowing that I did a pitch before and I completed the lean business model, I was more confident going into that program and applying for the internship rather than going in blind and just not really knowing what I'm doing. And even though I am a commerce student, it's still very intimidating, and I think this boosted my confidence in that way.